Okay, hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syamim Bin Jamil. My metric number is EA19003. So now I will present about coding for Systick Timer. So first we include the STM32 void delay for entering integer delay. Integer CTR equal to 0 is for declaration CTR equal to 0. Integer main to start the coding. So after that, we see RCC APB2 ENR is the meaning is to what we want to enable for the clock. So we see 0x0c is for enabling the GPIOA, the clock for GPIOA, enable clock for GPIOA. GPIOA dash CRL meaning the first 8 bit that pin 0 to pin 7. So 0x33333 is for um, set pin 0 to pin 7 as output. GPIOA ODR. ODR is for stands for so we want to set output. So 0xFF. We will start with all LED off because the design we use here is when one here and the LED will off. It's like what we call inverse. Yes. Normally one, if we give one value here, the LED will on. But if you inverse like this, we will get we use 0 value and the LED will turn on. So we start with all LED off at port A. GPIOB ODR is for declaration output for port B. So we use 0. We want to uh, 0 all the port B starting. So integer LED equal to 1. So this is a declaration for LED equal to 1. So we want to start data 1 from 1 pin 1. So here while is for continuous loop. While 1 GPIA ODR equal to LED. So LED is the actual value is 1. As we can see here, the declaration already made here, LED equal to 1. So you want to display LED starting from pin 1. The delay megasecond 2 million for call for timer 2 million megasecond or we call megahertz. LED equal to LED shift to the left by 1. So we want to shift the bit for LED 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. So to the left and after that to the left one step, to the left one step, after that to the left one step until it reach the final destination, the uh, port A7. If LED is equal to 0 x100, so this is the last what we call the last point for the LED to on, like the port A7, the last for CRL for GPIOA. So if the LED reaching the final destination, so it will start back by 1. So it will start back at the starting point, which is port A0. So after that, we see void delay megasecond, integer delay. So this is for timer, Systick timer. So Systick load delay -1. So we want the value 100 -1 will be 99. After that, Systick control equal to 0 x5. So we want to turn on the Systick at uh, 0 xe000 e010. GPIOB, we want to make the output for port B will be 1. So the 7 segment will display 1. While Systick control inverse, if not, and with 0 x 10000. So we want to monitor the counter flag. GPIOB ODR 0x0. So we want to reset the 7 segment at port B to 0 back. So Systick control equal to 0. So it will become 0. And we can monitor the counter flag again. So we will see the simulation. So as you can see, we start by port A0 and go through straight to the port A7 and U-turn back to the port A0 as we can see at the coding before. So that's all from me. Thank you.